Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rowan here, and I got my first Labubu. It's Have a Seat series, and I hope I get Baba in the secret. These are the options you can get. That's enough talking. Let's get into it. Okay, so I think, I don't want to rip the box, but
I think there's a tab right here that you pull.
Oh, tab? Alright, so...
You only have 1% of the battery. Ooh, what you get?
I don't know, it's like a lot of packaging.
Show us the package.
This is the package right here. Ooh. Hold on guys, I think I'm gonna cut this part so I can just get some scissors and open it. Oh, never mind, there's a tab right here. Oh, I got Baba! I got Baba! I got Baba! I got Baba! Yes! Thanks for watching, guys. This is the one I got. It's Baba. I love him.
That's the one you wanted.
Yep. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to let me know if you want more videos like this. Comment down below which one you thought I was going to get. Bye!